Go ahead and start her up, Glenn, then we'll tell them about it. That's good. Okay. We're going to sell you lot number 19 here. It's a John Deere 7810 MFWD tractor, 3 hydraulics, rear and front weights, 18.4, 42 duals, and spacers there, 14.9R, 30 front tires, 2,809 hours. Now on the advertising, it said that it had a hydraulic third length. He switched that back, so now it has just a regular John Deere third length on it right there now. Glenn, what about it? Nice tractor, I'll tell you. Clean, low hour.
Yeah, I bought it at Brandon and Kirshner's in 2000, and it had 300 hours on it.
I bought it at Kirshner's there in 2000, had just 300 hours on it right then.
And I owned it ever since, and kept up ever since.
You bet she's owned it ever since there. All right, here down out of that hand there, 7810, shoot at her boys right there now. $65,000, it'll do her. 65 now, 65,000, 65, who get 50? 50 now, 50 to get 50, thank you, now 55, 50 to get 5, but down to go down 50, $55,000, 55, and now thank you, now 60 now, $60,000 now, 60 to get you there to 55, and now 60 to buy her there now, 60, 57 and a half, 60 now, 60 now, 60 now, 60 now, 60 now, 60, 62 and a half, hit 2 and a half, and a 60, 62 and a half, and a 2 and a half, and a 5, 65,000 on 65, and now 5, and now 5, and now 7 and a half, 67 and a half, and a 7 and a half, and a 7 and a half, and a 65, 7, 5, 60 now, 70 now, $70,000 down, 70 now, 70 now, 70, you're doing okay, $70,000, 65, 70 now, 72, 5, it's 70, 72, 5, and now 5, and now 5, 70,000, 72, 5. 70,000, 72.5. Hard to find one that low hour. 70,000. It's 72.5. It's 70. You won't find one any cleaner. 72.5. Thank you now. $75,000, sir. 75. It's 75 and now 75 and now 77.5. 77.5 and now 5 and now 77.5. It's 77.5 and now 5 on her. 75,000. 77.5. 77.5. It's 75,000 now. 77.5 and now 5. Asking 76. Here we go. It's $76,000. 75. $76,000. 75. 76 on her. Yep, 75 and down, $76,000. And 675 and down, $76,000. We had a lot of good bidders. 75 is bid. $76,000. It's $77,000 now. 76, 77. You came to buy it. It's $77,000. Just get her done. 77, 77. It's $76, $77,000 now. 76, 5. We'll do her. Now 77. 76.5 is bid. Now $77,000. It's $77,000. $77,000 on her. It's 70. You drive your wheels off to find one. 77,000. That clean, that nice. 77,000. It's 76.5 and now 7. Now 77. But get 7 there. It's 76.5 there now. 7. 77. 77. It's $77,000. 77. If that's all we're to go. $77,000. Are you all done? $77,000. It's $77,000. 76.5. 77,000 on it. I sold it. $76,500. It goes to buyer number 238. Where are you from, sir? Grand Island. She goes to. Thank you very much. We'll move on.